How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different and latest collection of short hairstyle in low maintenance. With beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye. And many much more stylish and latest collection. Trendy ideas. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. Mostly ideas in low maintenance. Fine hairstyle and spiky hairstyle. But in today's my collection, some ideas too short and wave on hair. Curly hairstyle. And so beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. Different ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut. And so beautiful ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. And many much more beautiful and stylish collection. Trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women to see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas, Take care and bye bye.